Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change voice prompt volume for your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07. You have to start by open EDIFIER Connect application and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to go to the settings at the right top. Right here at the left side we have prompt volume, so tap at this line, and now we can increase the volume by move to the right. 15 is the maximum, or we can lower the volume by move to the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.